Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to walk you through what exactly happens behind the scenes when you create a Kubernetes job. When you submit a Kubernetes job, whether you use kubectl apply or call the Kubernetes API directly, the request first lands on that API server. The API server authenticates, authorizes, and validates the job specification and stores the job object in etcd. So at this moment, the job object is actually created, but it is not running yet. I also want to mention about the etcd. etcd is Kubernetes distributed key value data store. Next, job controller. Job controller watches for new job. So it detects the new job and it creates pod object based on the job specification. So please note that the pod objects are created at this moment, but they are not running yet. Next, scheduler. A scheduler watches for pods that don't have any node assigned. So it evaluates the scheduling rules. It looks at the resource requirements, node selectors, and other constraints, and it finds the suitable node to run that particular pod. And once it's find the suitable node, then it updates the pod object with the selected node name. As soon as the pod is assigned to a node, the kubelet on that node notices it. Kubelet talks to the container runtime. The container runtime could be anything. It could be container D, C, or IO, or whichever runtime. The kubelet talks to the container runtime to pull that image if required and create the container, start the container, and monitor the container health and everything. So at this moment, the pod is running on a node, and within the pod the container is actually running and executing the application logic. And once the pod runs to completion, the job controller detects that, and it updates the job status and also stores that information in the etcd data store as well. If you set the TTL seconds after finished value in your job specification, then the Kubernetes will clean up the job and it pods after that time. Otherwise, they will continue running, and so you have to manually delete them. So this is the complete life cycle of the Kubernetes job. So the key takeaway is that you submit the job, API server validates it and stores it in etcd, and the job controller creates pod objects, scheduler assigns the pod to a node, kubelet and runtime actually start the container, job completes, and resources are actually cleaned up. If you found this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more system design deep dive videos. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.